Hello people, and welcome back to Carl is on it. Today we are going to be changing some LED reverse lights. So what we're going to do is pop the hood. Pop the hood, pop the boot, pop the hood, that's crazy. Pop the boot. Those LED lights there, look how bright they are. Get rid of my emergency cold jacket and I put the roof down. So basically you need to open up this compartment here. So in order to that, you just pretty much, you can see the little gaps here, just pull them like that, little tabs, and that way. Sorry for the lighting guys, it's really bad lighting, but it's in a really deep corner. You can see it follow around like that, put like that, and then pull that one out like that. Then you've now got the cover off, so you're now left with the wires here. So what you're going to need to do is take this one here, you virtually just pull that out like that. That's out. And now the next thing you're going to need to do now is there's one tab here. This is for the pre-LCIs, so it's not for the LCI ones. So there's one tab here. In fact, even for the LCIs, they have a tab as well, so it's a similar sort of setup. So what you're going to do next is you just pull that tab down like that. Pull that tab down. And there's also a tab here as well, right over here, which is this black thing. I'm trying to make sure my stuff. There you go. So there's a black tab here. You just pull it up. That. You need to use two fingers to do that. Yeah, in order to do it properly. So let me just put the camera down. So you basically pull that tab, and then that back cover should come off. So I'm going to do that right now. There we go. So once you pull the tabs out, this is now able to be taken out. So, and this is basically where your lights are, just right in there. Take it out like that. There we have it. The lights are out. So the next thing you're going to need to do is the reverse bulb. So that's your indicator bulb. Anytime you need to change that, that's your brake light, and that is your side light bulb. So whenever you put your dip beams on, that light comes on, and this is your reverse light right over here. Corner. So what you need to do is just take that out, throw that in a bin, or I don't know, do what you want, probably keep it as a spare just in case. And next you're going to put this on that, and just be sure to make sure it's working. I recommend, so you basically connect this back up to here. So there's your plug, there's your light on there, there's the plug that you took out in the first place. You attach that back onto the back over here, into this back bit there, and then you ask someone to test your reverse out so you can see if the lights are working. If they're working, all good. If not, then might be a problem with the bulb, so contact the seller and they should give you a replacement. But anyway, let me just put this back up and then have a look so you can see the difference. There we go. So that's popped back into place. Then what you do is get the connector, connect this back on, and I'm going to test to see if the reverse lights work. So 1 second. Let's get my brother to help me out here. So there we have it. Bright blue LED lights compared to standard lights. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah. The only thing is, when you start the car up, the LED light flickers when you start it up. It also happens for the front lights as well, because I got LED indicators. Now the only reason that is because it needs a load resistor. But to be fair, I don't really see it as much of an issue. So yeah, so there we have it now. Got LED lights on there. I'm gonna do the other one. Anyway, it'll be the similar sort of process from there really. So yeah. So the light flickers when you start the car, but it starts flickering. There we go. How nice does that look now? It's absolutely amazing. That's been nicely. But anyway, lights have now been upgraded to LED reverse lights, which is absolutely amazing. I need to tint those lights soon. It looks so much better if I get them tinted. So we've reached the end of the video now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe and share if it's of any help to you. If your lights have blown out or whatever, swap to these LED lights. It's a nice upgrade. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you soon. Peace.